Artificial intelligence AI is a hot topic these days. With the advent of deep learning, AI is reaching new heights in auto-coding, self-driving cars, and understanding human speech. Still, the question on everyone's mind remains: will we one day live in a world run by sentient machines? AI that keeps up with you AI assistants are becoming more and more popular as they do not require any physical effort. They can be used while sitting on the couch. AI assistants are not just for your personal use. Numerous companies have started using them to make their customers' experience better. What is LaMDA? LaMDA is short for language understanding. It is an online tool that can analyze any content and automatically generate a machine-generated summary. What is the difference between a machine and a sentient being? A machine is an inanimate object that performs intellectual or physical tasks. The most common type of machine is a computer which can complete calculations and store large amounts of data. A sentient being is any creature with the ability to feel, perceive, or experience existence. Examples of sentient beings include humans, dolphins, and tardigrades. A sentient being, or what is also called a conscious being, is an organism which is capable of perceiving its environment and has the ability to act and react according to that perception. Machines are not sentient beings because they are not able to take in information from their environment, process it, and make decisions based on it. A machine has the ability to process data. However, can't do anything with that data unless it is given a command. To humans, machines seem like they have an intelligence or consciousness, but they lack awareness and the capability of decision-making. A sentient being distinguishes itself by having these qualities. In order for a machine to become a sentient being, artificial intelligence must be created that would allow machines to sense their environment and make decisions accordingly. How would an AI become sentient? The concept of artificial intelligence is a hot topic again, with advances in technology and the growth of machine learning. How would an AI become sentient? With self-teaching AI becoming more prevalent, the question on everyone's mind is, how could an AI become sentient? An AI might become sentient through an evolutionary process, like natural selection. This is because AIs would have to evolve and reproduce in order to become sentient. This process would be similar to how humans evolved from single-celled organisms. Alternatively, an AI might become sentient through a developmental process, whereby it is programmed with self-awareness and higher intelligence. However, the programming of this AI would need to be careful so that it does not kill or destroy the world while becoming sentient. What is the Turing Test? The Turing Test is an experiment to see if artificial intelligence can fool humans into thinking they're talking to another human. The test is named for computer scientist Alan Turing, who proposed the idea. In this test, a person is supposed to converse with both a computer and another person, known as the judge, through text-only channels. If the judge can't tell which one is human, the computer passes. The first AI system to pass this test was developed by programmers at Stanford University in 1966. The Turing Test is a test proposed by computer scientist Alan Turing in 1950 that asks whether a computer can exhibit intelligent behavior that is indistinguishable from the behavior of humans. The Turing Test was introduced in 1950 by Alan Turing as a measure of machine intelligence. It is based on the idea that you cannot tell the difference between human and artificial intelligence, if they both behave identically. What are the arguments for and against AI developing sentience? There are many arguments for and against development of sentience in AI. Some argue that AI should not develop sentience because they would become unpredictable, while others argue that developing sentience would be beneficial, as AI would be able to experience emotions and help solve problems more efficiently. Arguments for AI developing sentience provides a better solution to the Turing Test than human intelligence could result in an advanced form of humanity. AI has the potential to be more efficient in many tasks and live with fewer consequences. Arguments against AI developing sentience. The probability of an AI becoming sentient is unknown, and the consequences of it happening are still not clear. Without any form of regulation, sentient AIs could potentially do great damage. What is the purpose of AI technology? AI algorithms algorithms can be used for everything from analyzing crime data to predicting the weather. They are also being used for more trivial tasks like creating music or generating text. AI is a rapidly growing technology that will have an impact on many aspects of our lives. AI technologies are being used in many industries, and it is hard to say exactly how they will change the world, but we can already see some major impacts that they are having. The purpose of AI technology is to enhance a company's performance and increase its efficiency in various industries and fields. Some use cases show that AI is used to scan medical images and diagnose diseases faster than humans, but the software has its limits. We can also see how they are used in self-driving cars, personal assistants, and other machines, where humans would not be safe around machinery. Or machinery, such as cranes, where accidents may occur if the machine was not automated with AI. Other use cases include natural disaster support with predictive systems for incoming storms or earthquakes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be uploading videos on a daily basis. You can also leave a comment in the comments section on your opinion on the subject.